Vietnamese students excel in international STEM robotics competitions and a testament to their skills and adaptability. And this success highlights the potential of Vietnam youth to compete on the global stage. And it's just in time that we make robots and bring the tools to the classroom. The modern robotics and coding tool designed for easy integration into the STEM curriculum. And it combines hands-on learning with engaging content to make STEM subject exciting in the school. Activities are interactive and fun, and sparkling curiosity among students. And students can work in teams, learning to communicate and solve problems critically. And here are some pictures of robots that are used in a classroom in Vietnam. And the tools have the student apply knowledge to real-world challenge and excellent learning experience. And this program has not only built the technical skill but also fostering the creativity among students. Here are some facts about the Enjoy AI competition, which has been implemented throughout 2023 and 2024, successfully implemented in Vietnam. Let's have a look. In 2023, we only have 50 students join the event and only 34 students join the international competition. But the number skyrocketed, and this year we have more than 1,300 students join the competition across the country, from the north, the central, and the south. Of course, this number is more compared to the competitions held in China, but it's a successful event for us because we already implemented such competitions across the country. And today and tomorrow we have 171 contestants join almost 3 maps of the competitions. So we are very proud of the success so far, and we hope that for the next year we can implement much more bigger competitions in Vietnam. So here are some of the events we already hold. That's all the competition across the country, and the kids really enjoy the competitions, and they're really eager to join the global competition today. We have also all the models, and we also join the drone competition as well. And this is really the activity that can span across the region. And we do hope that next year we can hold the regional competitions, so we can invite all the contestants from other countries to join the competition in Vietnam. And we hope that it will be a successful competition for the Asia Open. And here's some numbers that already. And it means that Vietnam has potential to become a regional leader in the STEM education. And by embracing some tools like robots and fostering collaboration, we can create a generation of innovation. And as STEM education is a cornerstone of every country, including Vietnam, forward becoming a global hub for technology and innovation. So with integrating of robots tools into the classroom, we can unlock the potential of the youth. So this is, we hope that next year we can bring the bigger team to the competition, and the students will have a great experience, and they stimulate their creativity and curiosity.